The Silent Letter from Sagittarius. A journey with three I/ATLAS the night it entered our story. It didn't arrive with fanfare, no explosion, no radio burst, just a quiet blip in Chilean data on July 1st, 2025, a dot moving too fast to belong. The Atlas telescope, built to guard Earth from asteroids, instead found a guest from beyond the stars. This was no fragment of our solar birth. Its path curved outward, never to return. Scientists named it 3I/ATLAS, the third interstellar traveler, the first true comet of its kind, and the most closely watched cosmic vagabond in human history. A name carved in stardust, 3, for its place in a new chapter of astronomy. I for interstellar, a rare honor reserved only for those born in alien skies. Atlas for the vigilant eyes that spotted it. Unlike Oumuamua's silence or Borisov's distance, 3I/ATLAS came already speaking, its icy heart exhaling gas and dust as sunlight kissed it for the first time in eons. This wasn't a rock, it was a comet, alive and luminous, wrapped in a teardrop of ancient frost. Tracing the path home. Where did it come from? The answer lies in Sagittarius, the direction of our galaxy's core. For millions, perhaps billions of years, it drifted through the interstellar void, untouched, unchanging. When discovered, it was 410 million miles from the Sun, just inside Jupiter's orbit. Its speed, 137,000 miles per hour, and hyperbolic trajectory proved it was never ours. It is merely passing through, like a traveler stopping for water before vanishing into the eternal night. Hubble's glimpse of eternity. On July 21, 2025, Hubble turned its gaze. From 277 million miles away, it captured a vision of cosmic fragility. A bluish cocoon of dust streaming from a hidden nucleus, shaped like a falling tear. Because the telescope tracked the comet's motion, the stars behind it blurred into streaks, ghostly lines marking the passage of something that refuses to stay. By August 20th, scientists narrowed its size, 440 meters to 5.6 kilometers, a mountain of ice carrying the chemistry of another world. The eyes of a planet. Turn skyward. Never before has humanity mobilized so completely to watch a single visitor. Webb dissected its light in infrared. Spherex mapped its ices. Perseverance and Curiosity on Mars tilted their cameras upward. Lucy, Psyche, Europa Clipper, JUICE, Parker Solar Probe, even SOHO, stationed 1 million miles from Earth, all gathered data. This isn't just science, it's a planetary vigil, a shared moment of awe as we witness a letter from the galaxy drift through our home. Safe passage, profound gift. Let there be no fear. 3. I/ATLAS poses no threat. It will never come closer than 1.8 astronomical units, 270 million kilometers from Earth. On October 30th, 2025, it will reach its closest point to the Sun at 1.4 astronomical units, just inside Mars's orbit. There, solar fire will awaken its ices fully, and its coma may glow brightest. This is not a collision, it is a cosmic handshake, brief, respectful, and full of meaning. The Sun's veil and the December return. By September 2025, it will slip behind the Sun's glare, invisible to our eyes. But this is not goodbye. In early December, it will reappear on the far side, a phoenix emerging from stellar fire, offering one last chance to read its story before it fades forever. This rhythm, approach, vanish, return, is the heartbeat of interstellar observation. And this time, we are ready. Why a comet matters more than a rock. Asteroids tell us about stone. But comets? They carry water, carbon, organic molecules, the seeds of life. Because 3I/ATLAS shows a coma, we know it's icy, active, and chemically rich. If its ingredients mirror ours, it suggests life's recipe is universal. If not, It means the cosmos is far more diverse than we dreamed. Either way, we learn something profound about our place in the universe. The third messenger in cosmic context. We've only seen two like it. Oumuamua, 2017, dark and inert. 2 I/Borisov, 2019, distant and faint. But 3 I/A TLAS arrives early, bright, and observed by the most advanced fleet in history. This is not luck. It is the culmination of decades of preparation. For the first time, we can study an interstellar comet before it reaches the sun, not after it's gone. You can watch it too. You don't need a telescope to be part of this. NASA's Eyes on the Solar System app lets anyone track 3 I/A TLAS in real time, watch it glide past Jupiter, swing by Mars, and arc toward the sun. As it journeys onward, remember, this is not science fiction. This is humanity at its best, curious, united, and humbled by the vastness of space. And when 3 I/A TLAS vanishes beyond Neptune, its legacy will remain. A silent letter from Sagittarius, read by a species learning to listen to the stars. The teardrop in the void. There is something deeply human about the shape Hubble saw. A teardrop, not a sphere, not a shard, but a soft, asymmetric bloom of dust trailing from a hidden core, like a sigh made visible. This is the signature of a true comet, ice turning to vapor, dragging ancient dust into space as it answers the sun's call. The streaked stars behind it are not flaws in the image. They are proof of motion, of transience. In that single frame, we see both the fragility of cosmic ice and the relentless forward march of time. 3 I/A TLAS is not just passing through space. It is passing through our moment, and we are lucky enough to witness it. The silence of safety. In an age of anxiety, NASA's calm certainty is a quiet gift. 3 I/A TLAS poses no threat to Earth. At one point, 8 astronomical units, it will remain farther than Mars ever gets to us. There will be no fire in the sky, no tidal chaos, no shadow over the sun. Instead, there is only opportunity, a rare chance to study an object forged in another star's nursery, now gliding through our backyard like a silent scholar. This safety is not luck. It is the universe offering us a lesson without danger, a mystery without menace. And in that generosity, we find room to wonder, not fear. The fleet that watches together. Never before has humanity turned so many eyes toward a single visitor. From Earth orbit, Hubble and Webb dissect its light. From the inner solar system, Parker's solar probe samples the solar wind it disturbs. Near Mars, Perseverance and Curiosity, rovers built to seek ancient life, now gaze upward at a messenger from beyond life's cradle. Even Europa Clipper and JUICE, destined for icy moons, pause to gather data. This is more than coordination. It is a planetary response, a unified act of curiosity that transcends borders, agencies, and missions. We are not just observing 3 I/A TLAS. We are showing it how a civilization looks when it chooses wonder over worry.